Your eyes meet across the room. You feel your body just tingle all over. Your heart skips a beat. And before you know it, you've made your way across the room to one another. One breath, 2 breaths, 3, 4, 5, and suddenly you're in this incredible, energetic dance with one another. It's nothing short of magical. You wonder how you can even be in it or be out of it. And you are locked together, tasting one another's souls, just hungry for every breath, every beat, every second. And soon enough, you're bringing that passion every day because you don't think you can do anything less than that. It just wouldn't be right. And so you do, and you bring it, and you devour one another energetically so you are completely in tune until something goes sideways and you end up feeling too much, too intense, too clear for him or anyone to see. It's that feeling that you felt before, that people have judged this enormity of energy that you have. But you know what? You're not too much. You are this incredible old soul being. What you have is purely divine. Others may not actually be able to understand it. They may not actually be able to hold a candle to what you bring to this world. Don't judge yourself. You're not too much. What you deserve is a partner who can completely enjoy and celebrate that energy, who never ever wants to put you down, make you smaller, or make you even feel less than or too much or too anything. You are amazing. He'll be there. Just wait. He'll find you. He'll hold space for you. You will be exactly what he's been waiting his whole life for.